Let's go into a game called Sound Effects. As for Ryan and Colin, Colin's going to act out an everyday activity, while Ryan will provide the sound effects to help things along. Let's call it a passionate date in a drive-in burger bar. That's what you're doing. That's an everyday activity. And who said we've sold out for the American audience? We have these over here, I'm sure we do.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Oh, God, that's it.
It's in there, really good. That's, very good. Officially, those who are interested in records, that is the best sound effects game we've ever played. And you get half a point each.